Welcome to KnowMore. Today I'm going to ask you 20 quick questions. Try to answer in your head before I reveal the answer. Let's begin. What has keys but can't open locks? A piano. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What is it? Footsteps. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? A candle. What has a heart but doesn't beat? An artichoke. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? A stamp. What has hands but can't clap? A clock. What gets wetter as it dries? A towel. What has many teeth but can't bite? A comb. What has one eye but can't see? A needle. What can you catch but not throw? A cold. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock. What has cities but no houses, rivers but no water, and forests but no trees? A map. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? An echo. What runs but never walks? Water. The more you take out of me, the bigger I get. What am I? A hole. What has a ring but no finger? A telephone. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? The future. So, how many did you get right? If you enjoy learning in a fun way, you're in the right place. Welcome to KnowMore, where we question everything.